Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to give you some foam rolling alternatives. So if you are a fan of this one here, whenever you roll the inside of your leg, you put that pressure on and you move it side to side, you roll it up and you try to roll all that stuff out. If you take yourself through the deep lunge test first of all, so if you go into a nice deep lunge position and see, can you get your elbow down beside your heel? If you can't do that, that's more important to work on before using that. So if you can only get your arm down to about there, then that is something that you want to work on first. How do you work on that? You spend more time in the position. So just quite simply moving yourself out to the side and then moving your leg around in that position, doing little circles in that position, and then seeing, can you get your elbow down further away, and then can you start to knead it into the side as well. And then even going to this side, moving it in and out this way. So that is more important to be doing rather than just foam rolling, because it won't teach you how to move your hip properly. Okay guys, so try that instead, give it a go and let me know what to think.